Tired of living with nerve damage? Discover how powerful Mother Nature can be. In this educational video, we uncover the secrets of nature's healing power, providing you with a comprehensive neuropathy diet packed full of foods renowned for their ability to heal and regenerate nerve damage. Whether you're looking for immediate relief or long-term solutions, this one-stop guide will show you how to ease your symptoms and heal your nerve damage naturally. Don't miss out. Watch now. Do you find yourself fatigued from the persistent tingling feeling in your hands and feet? Are you facing the unbearable agony resulting from nerve damage? What if we informed you that your very own kitchen might hold the solution to your problem? Yes, you heard it right. If you're among the countless individuals struggling with nerve pain and damage, this video could be a game changer for you. In today's presentation, we won't focus on miraculous potions or expensive medications. Instead, we'll concentrate on the remarkable healing potential found in everyday foods that you may have overlooked. These food items possess the capability to rejuvenate sensation in your hands, alleviate discomfort in your feet, and ultimately restore the joyful life you once cherished. Yes, it's accurate. We've curated a selection of 7 extraordinary foods that have undergone scientific validation for their efficacy in aiding nerve repair. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Have you ever observed a pumpkin seed and pondered the potent nutritional impact it possesses? It's time to shed light on these unassuming powerhouses that play a crucial role in nerve function and conduction. Essential for nerve health, potassium and magnesium are best friends to your nerves, and guess what? Pumpkin seeds are abundantly filled with these vital elements. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet, you can unlock a secret weapon for promoting nerve health. Imagine these mighty micronutrients infiltrating your system, calming overexcited nerves, and fortifying them from within. Number 6. Ginger. Embark on a culinary voyage to the heart of your kitchen and rediscover the hidden hero called ginger. This vibrant spice goes beyond being a zesty addition to your favorite dishes. It boasts a treasure trove of healing properties that can restore and soothe your nerves. Ginger possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory abilities, which can work wonders in alleviating pain associated with damaged nerves. But that's not all. This fiery root is abundant in gingerol, a compound known for its exceptional healing powers. Picture this, the invigorating essence of gingerol performing miracles for your neuropathy pain, easing cramps, and so much more. With its versatile charm, ginger can elevate your culinary experience, whether freshly grated in a warming soup, finely sliced in a refreshing salad, or infused into a comforting cup of tea. Adding a touch of ginger to your daily diet can be as effortless as a breeze. Number 5. Turmeric. Ready for a culinary escapade filled with vibrant hues and tantalizing aromas? We're delving into the world of turmeric, that golden spice that has been a staple in kitchens and traditional remedies for centuries. Its medicinal properties go beyond alleviating colds and soothing cuts. Turmeric holds the secret to remarkable healing, especially in nerve repair. At the core of its power lies curcumin, a compound rich in antioxidants known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Turmeric acts as a soothing balm for damaged nerves, making it a potential alternative to conventional painkillers. Why not give turmeric a chance and incorporate this radiant spice into your meals? Prepare to be amazed by its natural pain-relieving prowess. In just a few weeks of embracing this incredible spice, witness a delightful transformation unfold. Number 4. Walnuts. Walnuts, there's more to them than meets the eye. These little marvels not only offer a satisfying crunch, but also pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. One of their standout qualities is their impressive content of omega-3 fatty acids, the unsung heroes that silently repair the protective layer around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath, and promote faster recovery. Additionally, walnuts boast a wealth of antioxidants that combat inflammation, making them a powerful ally in the fight against nerve damage. Experience relief from persistent numbness or prickling by incorporating just a handful, roughly 3 ounces, of walnuts into your daily diet. Number 3. Chamomile. Prepare yourself to embrace an age-old herb that has been comforting souls and healing bodies for centuries. Let's delve deep into the wonders of chamomile, a gentle yet powerful herb that provides both healing and comfort. Chamomile whispers its soothing effects amid the world of herbs, boasting a remarkable abundance of antioxidants. Its superpower lies in its ability to tame inflammation and alleviate neuropathic pain, offering a serene escape from relentless discomfort. But chamomile doesn't stop there. It also acts as a gentle guardian, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. If you find yourself grappling with diabetic neuropathy, with the nerve pain proving to be a stubborn opponent, the answer may be as simple as indulging in a daily rendezvous with chamomile tea. Imagine each calming sip working to alleviate both pain and maintain stable blood sugar levels. And if tea isn't your cup of tea, fret not. Chamomile has yet another trick up its sleeve in the form of essential oil. A few drops artfully massaged onto the skin can provide a world of relief from neuropathic pain. Number 2. Fruits. Prepare yourself for an invigorating dive into Mother Nature's most delightful and delectable medicine cabinet, fruits. These luscious, sweet, and occasionally tangy gifts from nature go beyond being a mere treat for your taste buds. They serve as indispensable allies in your journey towards healing damaged nerves. Fruits possess a remarkable similarity to nature's multivitamins, brimming with an abundance of antioxidants that possess a remarkable ability to quell inflammation. These nutritional powerhouses are vital for maintaining the smooth operation of your body's intricate machinery and play a starring role in rehabilitating your impaired nerves. Indulge in the crispness of an apple, peel the zest of an orange, relish the burst of flavor from a handful of berries, or savor the succulent goodness of grapes. These fruits come armed with a flavonoid known as quercetin. While the name may not readily roll off your tongue, rest assured it has garnered quite the attention in scientific studies for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. It serves as a valuable aid in managing neuropathy, lending a helping hand in alleviating discomfort. So go ahead, take a revitalizing bite and let nature's wonders work their magic. And finally, number 1. Water. Water, the number one essential, is often underestimated. This transparent, tasteless liquid is the literal elixir of life. It plays a pivotal role in our well-being, promoting hydration and aiding in various bodily functions. Proper hydration is key in fending off muscle spasms and neuropathic pain. Think of water as a nutrient superhighway delivering vital healing elements to damaged nerves. Neglecting water intake can impede the nerve healing process. It is crucial to commit to drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily, a simple yet essential act. Embrace this personal hydration pledge and witness the miraculous healing qualities of this everyday liquid. Water is synonymous with life itself. When it comes to individual dietary needs, it's important to remember that they vary, and while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Therefore, it's highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. By approaching your diet consciously, you can proactively take steps towards maintaining and leading a healthier life. If you found this video informative, kindly show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss out on our latest content, which aims to provide valuable health information. Remember to prioritize your well-being and consider including these nourishing foods in your dietary routine to attain a state of enhanced happiness and improved health. Until next time, thank you for watching.